Well, it's 11:20 a.m. on Thursday, November the 9th, and first load of concrete is installed, the full 9 cubic meters. Another one's on the way and should be here any minute. So truck driver Ken is washing it down, giving me a little bit of a concrete bath here. I don't think that's going to be an issue. Yeah, so good job. That's a big truck. Big truck. From Transcrete. Transcrete. Yeah. Been in here for about an hour and a half. Unloading. Another 5 cubic meters on the way. Probably not going to need the full 5, but it's always better to be looking at it than looking for it, as Mark would say. So, looking good here. Great day.